Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham. And one real world situation that comes up in almost every case is how to handle those situations when the injured worker goes into the exam with the authorized treating physician and the injured worker's supervisor or health nurse or the case nurse assigned by the insurance company insists on coming into the visit with the injured worker and the doctor. Well, a lot of times the injured worker feels that once someone says they insist on coming in, that they have the right absolutely to be in the room with the doctor and the injured worker. Well, this is not the case. The Hippocratic Oath, as well as the patient doctor confidentiality, supersedes any needs by a supervisor, a nurse, a case nurse, a health person assigned by the company to be in the room with the injured worker. The injured worker has the absolute right to determine who's in that room. This comes up quite a bit, and oftentimes the injured worker will feel bullied or intimidated or feel that because they're told that person needs to be in the room with them, that that's the absolute way it has to be. Well, that's not necessarily true. Every situation is a little bit different in that sometimes they're needed and wanted in there by the injured worker. But the majority of the time, in order for the injured worker to speak freely to the doctor and for the doctor to speak frankly and freely with the injured worker, it just needs to be the two of them in the room at the time. If you have this issue, and it is quite common, please give us a call, the Nomberg Law Firm, 205-930-6900. You can find our website at nomberglaw.com. We're also on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.